How to edit retro photos in iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your iPhone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Open the photo you want to edit from here. Then, tap on the Edit button at the bottom. Now, go to the Filters section and select Dramatic Warm. Then, go back to the Adjust section. Over here, decrease the exposure and then increase the shadows to your liking. After that, decrease the saturation as well, to your preference. Next, find and set the warmth to +100. Once you're done, tap on Done at the top right corner. You have now successfully given this photo a retro effect. Following these steps, you can easily edit retro photos on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.